Alam mo ba that you are the one creating your life? Yes, you heard it right. Kasi many of us, no, iniisip natin na yung destiny yung nagdidikta ng ating buhay. Pero a lot of it is contributed by you. Kung ano yung mga decision mo sa buhay, mali man yan o tama, yun yung nagdidikta talaga ng iyong path. No? So, may contribution ang paligid pero more on mga 30% lamang ito. 70% ng iyong buhay, ikaw talaga ang nagda-drive niyan. So be careful and mas maganda study the process or other techniques, no, kung paano ba magkaroon ng buhay, no, na balanse at yung buhay na gusto mo talaga. So don't stop, no, to chase your dreams. Ayan, dahil ikaw talaga yung gagawa ng way para makuha yan. And the 30% is the help of the universe and also the help of God, no, na para kamit mo yun. So yun lang. Bye.